Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about how to upload products, how to upload different kinds of products onto the ZAZZLE marketplace. Being as a designer, because I've been getting a few of the comments and people are still confused on uploading the different products onto their shop, onto the ZAZZLE. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in my laptop in a second. So let's get started with that. Before going to good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we upload daily videos. You'll be get notified about it when we upload. So the resources, the free graphics, the free KDP tutorials, the link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out the freebie section down to all the freebies that we have, and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding each month. So let's head over to my laptop and begin the process of the product making onto the ZAZZLE. See, this is the shop I had created just for the sake of this video tutorial. Now this is just a dummy shop and it contains no products. We just go hover over to your store and you click on your store and open your store. There is a home section, the collection, followers, news, reviews, and everything is there. You just need to click over to the product option. So when you're going to click over to the product option, you're getting these two options, a quick create and create new product. And then you're going to click over to the quick create option. You're going to get the option to place your one design on various different products onto the ZAZZLE by just one go. Like, you don't need to create a separate product by this option. That's a quick create. And if you just click over to the create new product option, you need to create one product at a time and do the customization option and all. So we're just going to go over to the option of create new product option. On this page, you're going to see that a bunch of the different products are there in the home, sports, games, clothing and accessories, invitations, stationery, art, crafts, and party supplies. Then just scroll down, you're going to see the office and school, the electronics, baby and the kids, or wedding. So these are the various different kinds of products, different kinds of categories, and the products that the ZAZZLE have. You can click on any product you want to create. Like, you can click over to the greeting cards and create a greeting cards from here. You can click over to the invitation announcement and click create the invitations. Like, you can create whatever you want to. So just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create one product in front of you and show you exactly how to design your product and do all those things. So for the sake of this, I'm going to just go over and we're going to just select one product from your category. So I'm going to be selecting a greeting card. Card option. This kind of page, when you click on any product option, it depending on the product you click. Since I click on the greeting card, I landed over to some kind of like this page. You can see the different cards of greeting cards the ZAZZLE has, the graduation cards, the birthday cards, the anniversary, and so on and so forth, whatever cards you want to create. So we're just going to create a short card for the sake of this tutorial. I'm not going to go much into the designing process in this video because I just want to show you how to create different kinds of products onto the ZAZZLE, because I got that comment. So I'm not going to go into the detail of creating this kind of card and designing and all stuff. For that you can check out my another channel. I have a designing channel. I'm going to leave the link of the channel description box below. You can check it out. But let me just scroll down. I'm going to pick up one kind of card. So just scroll down. So here are the different kinds of templates. You can choose whatever template you want, whatever size, whatever different kinds. They have almost like 92 results for the greeting cards. You can select this one, whatever you want to. Probably I'm going to be selecting this one, the 5x7 flat thank you card, because we will be creating a thank you card. This 5x7 flat thank you card, we're just going to create this card. So when you're going to click on that, you're going to see this kind of page. Let's just page is open for a second. Okay, so now you're getting the option. You want to select the envelope for this card, either as a white or either as a none. Then the price of this card is going to reduce from $0.15. That's a 15 cents. You can choose a size from here depending on whatever size of the card you want. You can select the card like this one, whatever you want to select. Then you can select the paper type of your card, either the matte or the different kinds of glossy papers or whatever you want to. The printing process, do you want the high definition or the standard, depending on your choice. But I think I'll just gotta go with the default options, that is a white 5x7 card and this shape. I'm just gonna click over to the add image option. You can even click over to the add text as well if you want to add text over here. uploaded. Now guys, if you are new to this designer tool for the very first time, you would be confused about various different options you will get on the ZAZZLE designer board. So I'm just going to introduce you one by one to the different options over here. This one is the text option. Okay, you can write the text by this option. You can use the different kinds of elements the ZAZZLE has. You can also use the icons from the ZAZZLE designer itself. You can use the different kinds of backgrounds and change the color of your canvas. You can even upload your own files. Now I have the bunch of the files uploaded from my own computer, from my own laptop. You can do it. Another thing is about the product. This is the product description. You can read the description of the product, the size, and various details regarding it. These are the different layers of the product. Like the first layer is the front of the card, then there is the back of the card in different kinds of layers, and you can design according to it. And this is the help center if you want any help or if you want to search for the ZAZZLE. Then this is the edit option. These are different kinds of options, and I'm just going to go over to the first of all go over to the text option, and we're going to design. I have picked the layers, the front text image, because I want to create design only the front part. And I'm just going to click over to the text, and we're going to have the facility to add the text. So I'm going to add the text since this is a thank you card, so I'm going to add thank you. Just simple card I'm making right now. I'm not gonna go into the detail of the designing over here because now onto the right hand menu guys, you're gonna see, since we have chosen the text, you're gonna see the font. You can select the whatever font you want to select from the ZAZZLE designer. They have the different kinds of font styles, and I pretty like some of the fonts are pretty amazing. You can select whatever you want to, and then you can change the color of your font from over here, the size, even the justification, the central left or right, the scale. You can even rotate your text. You can either flip it or you can do the anchor. You can see the letter spacing, the line spacing. You can make all those changes for your text from here. Okay guys, and this is the preview. You can see how this text will going to actually look like on your front side of the card. And here is the alignment, the tilting, the different grid lines. If you want to use the grid lines for the sake of the text or for the illustrations, then you can use the grid lines as well, and you can do it. So since I think I'm happy with the font they have, I just need to increase the size. So I'm just going to choose the 100, and you can increase the size the way you want to guys. Let me just increase once, 120. Okay, so this is a simple card that I'm making over here. This is a simple text. You can even write more text over here, or you can even bring the elements from over here. You can bring this circle over here, and you can create a polka dot type of appearance. So just minimize it, and when you're gonna minimize it, you're gonna see the different kinds of color option over here. Like this is the fill color. Since I'm just gonna change the fill color of this is to the red, and boom, you can see the colors changes. It's not that red, but it's kind of like orangish. Then you can change the border, or even you can just keep it as a white only, whatever you want to. Okay, and fit it, rotate it, flip it, do whatever you want to. There's various different options. You can make the object permanent and always visible. You can do whatever you want to, but I'm just gonna place this small circle over all the over of the card, creating a polka dot kind of appearance. I'm just gonna click over to the copy option, and we're just gonna paste over here, and the same thing I'm gonna do over here, paste. Place the different kinds of dots over here. You can place it over here more, so I'm just gonna place it one more. So I'm just going to place one more dot over here. So you can see I've placed a different dots on my card. You can even change the color of each and individual. So probably I'm just going to change the color blue. It's just a simple card. You can obviously add a different illustrations, write different text over here, add more different styles to your card. This is the first page of our cards. I'm just going to click over to the done option over here. And you can see how our card is looking. It's simple, but yet it's looking amazing. You can see the different styles of your card, the standing front, how it's looking. You can see the different mock-up from the here, front and back, and all that, guys. Now I haven't put anything onto the back side of the card, so that's why this section is left as empty. You can place any other illustrations or even write on the back side of the card, or even can attach your own logo to this card. If you have creating any logo, if you're creating a shop for your brand under the Zazzle, you can even place your logo at the back of your card, or write something about your company, your brand at the back of the card. I will going to give it a branding look to your card. Do whatever you want to do with, guys, but I think I'm satisfied with the way it's looking on the front part, so I'm just gonna sell it. Since we have created the design from it, you can either go over to the again option edit design, and you can edit the design if you want to, but I'm happy with that, so I'm just gonna sell it. Or either you can buy your own cards by choosing the quantity over here, whichever quantity you want to choose, and click onto the add card option, and you can buy this card. But since we are selling this card on the Zazzle, so I'm just going to go to the option as a sell it. You can see the Zazzle is asking you that you want only your front page of the card to be designed and not the back end. If you want the back page of the card to be designed as well, then click over to the edit design option. Like what it's saying, it looks like at least 180 of your product is blank. Did you mean to do this? Yes, we mean to do this. We don't want the back side of a card to contain any kind of texture element or anything like that. So I'm just going to click over to the publish it option. You can having the option to write the titles. I'm going to write that's it, and then you can select the category from here. So it's a thank you card. You can select it from the invitation, stationery, or wedding. I'm just going to keep it as a wedding stationery. Write the description of your card over here. Do whatever you want to write, guys. Beautiful design for you. I'm just writing a simple description, but you can do it. I think I missed something over here. I need to write it as a card, which I think I missed. Let me just scroll down, and you can see you can select the different events from here. Events and occasion. You can select the recipient, if it is for a girl or boy, whatever your target audience is. You can choose the store category from that, in whichever store you want this product to be live. You can select it and do that, and then you can add, just going to write minimal text thank you card. You can very well do your research and can optimize your tag according to it, but since this is just the demo part of the tutorial, so I'm just going to click over to the ad. It said tag, then what kind of audience is suitable for. It's all general, it's suitable for everyone. Then you can set the royalty of your card. I think I'm happy with the 5%. You can increase it, and then click over I have the right to publish this design, and click over to the post it. Boom it, guys, we have done with creating a greeting card on the Zazzle. We have done with creating a product on the Zazzle. It may take up 24 hours for this product to show up. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel. And this is the way you can create any product on Zazzle which you want to. I hope you find it useful and enjoyable. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.